Hi, and welcome to this exclusive oasis villa located in the heart of Calpe. This listing includes 2 properties. Then the second one that, as I said, unfortunately we're not able to see today. This villa has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, but it does need a full renovation. And then the main house, also 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. In total, both plots combined, we have a total of 1,600 square meters. Here we are in the dining section. Of course, you can enjoy some lovely sea views, as well as the lovely living room. Come on through to the fully equipped kitchen. Come out to this amazing terrace. Perfect for your lounging evenings, surrounded by tropical plants and palm trees. You also have some extra kitchen storage. Of course, right now we're in the summer. It's lovely. Open doors, enjoy the fresh sea breeze coming straight from the sea. But in the winter, enjoy the cozy chimney. And here currently we have a walk-in wardrobe, which of course is the perfect space for a lovely bedroom with amazing sea views. And on this floor we have this bathroom with walk-in shower. My favorite part of this house, absolute oasis feeling. We are very close to the town center. We are literally 5 minutes drive away. Yet we have the most tranquil urbanization right here. Let's go upstairs to the master bedroom. Look at this amazing master bedroom. Your ensuite bathroom. Look at this cute balcony. Amazing views, of course. Just imagine this. Wake up, straight out onto this amazing terrace. What else could you possibly want? I know. Maybe you have a very big family or a lot of friends that want to visit. We have the second villa down here. Unfortunately, we're not able to show it to you, but let your imagination run freely. It has a total of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. Perfect for your secondary house, maybe for renting out, for a family or for your friends. Additionally, in the second villa, you will also find 2 spacious garages with automatic gates.
We are apparently in the lower part of this villa, which is a guest apartment. The kitchen, bedroom, and here the bathroom with its jacuzzi, and you can have an access directly to the living room.
Look at this amazing garden. Now, the best word that I have for this garden is just purely an oasis. Look at all these plants. We even have grass here. And this amazing swimming pool. It's just absolutely amazing. If you love nature, if you love a garden, this is literally the perfect place for you. Of course, the garden might look like a lot of work, but to be honest, most of the plants that you'll find here are Mediterranean, so they don't need that much love. If you want a garden, of course, we can also help you with it.
And we have an automatic gate for your comfortable access. We have enough space to have 4 cars, and we have 1 covered parking space.
Right, to sum it up, we have a total of 2 villas, each having 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. A private swimming pool being shared between both, and an amazing huge oasis garden, of course, with an amazing sea view. The total price of this house is 1,595,000.
Thanks for joining our tour today.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Please, if you need more information, contact us. Au revoir.
Cheers.